Okay, well, I kind of cleaned up my bench here, and I want to talk about what I had going on. So, um, yeah, so I haven't done a video in a couple of weeks because I have a lot of stuff going on the last couple of weeks. I've been working on, I've been working on a website, and here's the website, CandyQuads, and it's almost ready to launch. And what it is, it's going to be a place where all these builds end up. The ones that don't sell at my local hobby shops that I put in there will end up on the CandyQuads site for sale. So, like the new Mifune, that one's going to end up out on the site. What else? This Flocko will end up there eventually. And I got a lot of builds coming up. I'm just getting the parts all ready. I got the TBS 5-inch G2 frame, the G2 carbon, the TBS carbon. I have the 7-inch frame from TBS, the carbon G2. I got this Stretch X from White Noise FPV called the Riptide, and I opted for the Stretch X version of the Riptide, so we'll be putting that together. I got my new frame right here, the Felon. This is the 3-inch version of the Felon. I got the 5-inch version over here, and that'll be my test. We're going to test that one out. I'm going to put everything on there that I had on here, similar, and we're going to run it. But all this started out back in the day when I was in the hobby shop and somebody broke one of their copters. And I said, hey, give me that copter and I'll go make you some arms for that thing that'll work and last a lot longer than what you had on there. So I went home and I designed these arms to put on that ship, and then I started designing other arms for ships that kept breaking on people. So like the Immersion Vortex 280, was it? The 280, the one with the round arms. I made arms for that. These are for the Hyperion Vengeance. I made arms for the 250 Vortex, and yeah, so I play with this stuff. Here is off Thingiverse. This is a clone of the Vortex 150. And back in the day, they had a clone of the Vortex 250. And here's one that I made, and I must have made over a dozen of these for friends and family. So these things rip. And so I'm pulling things out of the closet. Like, I built this one long ago, but I just couldn't get it tuned. So I took it out last weekend, gave it some time, and got her all tuned up. This is the David Wandestall baby tricopter. What else have we got here? I got the Flocko here that you've seen, and this is going to end up on the site. So why don't you go over and check out my site. It's still coming soon. Soon to be launched at CandyQuads. Let me come back. I got all my stickers. I got my stickers all hooked up here. I got stickers in that size, and then I got the super huge sticker. You got that one? Maybe I gotta back the camera off for that one. Yes, I got the super huge sticker. And not only stickers do I have, like I said, not only stickers do I have, but we just got all the t-shirts and hoodies done. So here's one of our t-shirts, and so we got t-shirts and hoodies all set up for this launch. So stick with us. I appreciate you guys hanging out. I'm going to be starting to do some more build videos. I have a lot of frames here to build. Again, 2 of my own and 3 of somebody else's. I got a rebuild over here because I don't like the way it's going. We're going to rebuild that one. And that's about it. So I appreciate you guys hanging with me. Welcome to CandyQuads. This is going to be my new site where you can get all of my 3D printed parts. You can buy all of the quads that I build. You'll be able to get my 3-inch and 5-inch frames. And what else? I got a bunch of little frames for 6, 7, and 8.5 millimeter motors for the brush setup. So we got a lot going on. I appreciate you sticking around. Like, comment, and subscribe. And you'll be seeing some more build videos from me really soon. Thank you.